Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can set up Atom for Python programming on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. So first of all, we have to download and install Python file on our Windows 10 computer. For that, open your favorite browser and search for Python and open the link from python.org. Don't worry about the download link. The download link will be on the description box. So this is the official website from where you can download Python installer file. So to download, just click on this download option and here you will find download for Windows. And here we have the current version of Python, that is Python 3.8.2. Simply click on this and here you can see it is downloading. So it is around 25 MB, so it will take some time to download. Wait until the download complete. So our download has been completed. Now let us open the file. So let me minimize the browser. So here we have the setup window. Here you can see install Python 3.8.2 and here we have two installation options. One is install now and another one is customize installation. So we are going to select customize installation. Before that, here we have two options. One is install launcher for all users and another one is add Python 3.8 to path. So you have to select this option to add Python path on your Windows system. After you had checked this box, simply click on customize installation. From here you can select your optional features and after that simply click on next. And here we have some advanced option. Here select install for all users and don't forget to check this box add Python to environment variable. And here we have our installation location. So if you want to change this installation location, you can change by clicking on this browse button and from here you can select your location where you want to install your Python file. So for now I'm just going to keep it default and simply click on install. So here you can see it is installing, so it will take some time to install. So wait until the installation process complete. Here you can see setup was successful. So we had successfully installed and set up Python on our Windows 10 computer. Now let us see how we can use Python programming language. So let me close this window. Here simply search for Python. So here we have Python 3.8 32-bit application. Just open this application. So this is our Python command line. Here you can simply run your Python code. Let me print hello world using Python. For that, write print and put parentheses and between this parentheses write your string. Say for example hello world. Now to run this code simply hit on enter. Here you will find hello world. Similarly you can print other statement. Say for example welcome to the coder world YouTube channel. Here you will find welcome to the coder world YouTube channel. So this is our Python command line. Now if you want to use Python IDE, then you have to search for Python and here you will find Python IDLE. Just open this application. So here we have our Python shell. Using this shell also you can create your Python programming. So let me use print statement and here let me print hello. Then hit enter. Here you can see hello. This way you can install and set up Python on your Windows 10 computer. Now let us discuss how we can set up Atom for Python programming language. For that, first of all we have to download the Atom file. To download the Atom file, just open your favorite browser and search for Atom. And open the link from atom.io. Don't worry about the download link. The download link will be on the description box. This is the official website of Atom. From here we can download Atom. Here you can see release note, the latest version of Atom and the operating system. If you are using different operating system, it will automatically detect your operating system here and simply click on download. Here you can see it is downloading and it is around 189 MB, so it will take some time to download. While it's downloading, let me tell you that Atom is a free and open source code editor. You can use Atom for your programming purpose. Here you can check some of the feature of Atom. If you want to enhance the function and feature of Atom, you can install plugins or packages to Atom. You can also change the look and interface of Atom IDE by applying themes. So you will get different types of themes and packages for Atom. Don't worry about that, I'll show you how you can add packages and themes on Atom. Our download has been completed. Now let us open this file. Here we have the Atom installer window. So let me minimize the browser. Here you don't need to do anything. It will automatically install the software on your Windows 10 computer. And after the installation has been done, and your Atom will be launched. Here is the interface of Atom. So let me maximize the browser. Here we have the welcome page, and here we have some of the welcome guide. Here you will find a pop-up window. Register as a default Atom URL handler. Here simply click on yes. So here we have some of the feature of Atom. We can open project, or we can control our Git and GitHub with the help of this Atom software. And here we have the option to install packages, theme, customization option, and script option, and other keyboard shortcut. So if you want to install package on Atom, simply click on install a package, and here you will find an option called open installer. Simply click on open installer. Here we have the installer page from where we can search the package and we can install. Say for example, when you open your Atom IDE, you don't get this kind of window. Now how you can install packages and theme to Atom? For that, use a shortcut key combination Ctrl+Shift+P. Here you will find a search window. Simply search for install packages. Here we have install packages option, and here we have all the packages which are installed on our Atom software. And here we have theme option. These are the themes which are currently installed on Atom software. On settings we have core, editor, URL handling, system, packages, themes, update, and install. If you want to update your Atom IDE to the latest version, you can simply check the update. For that, click on updates, and here click on check for updates. Now let me show you how you can configure Atom for Python programming. For that, you have to install few packages. For that, simply click on install option. Here we have a search bar. Here you can search for packages or for themes. So first you have to install Python language support. For that, simply search for Python language. This is the package we need to install called language Python, and here you have the version number and the developer and the download. So this package is already installed on our Atom software. Now we need to install another package called script. Here we have the package. Here you can see the downloads. So this package will help you to execute your Python code on Atom. And here we have the documentation about this package. So first let me click on install. So while it's installing, let us check some of the documentation of this package. Here we have supported grammars, and here we have some installation guide, uses, and some keyboard shortcut. So if you want to run your program, you can use Command I on macOS, and on Linux and Windows you can use Shift Ctrl B to run your Python programming. And here you can find other replacement option. So let us check whether our package is installed or not. Our script package is installed on Atom. We had successfully installed all the required packages for Python programming. Now let us see how we can create our first Python programming using Atom. So let me close this setting option. To create your first Python project, simply click on File, then click on New File, and here let me print Hello World using Python programming language. Here write print, and between these parentheses just put code and write Hello World. Now to save this file, simply click on File, then click on Save, and select the location where you want to save your Python file and name your file. Let me name it as test.py. .py is a Python file extension. So whenever you save your Python file, you have to use .py extension. Similarly, you have to use other file extension for other different programming language. Say for example, if you are developing Java program using Atom, then you have to name your file with .java extension. So let me save this file. So this is the project hierarchy of this test.py file. So here we have the file called test.py, And here we have a simple program which will print hello world. Now to run this file we have to use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl Shift B. And here on the bottom you will find hello world. Similarly you can print other statement. Say for example, welcome to the Coder World YouTube channel. Now to run this code, simply use the shortcut key Ctrl Shift B. And here we have welcome to the Coder World YouTube channel. So that's it for this video. This way you can set up Atom for Python programming language on Windows 10. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.